Our families are written in the stars. We're destined. It's always been that way.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak.
I see the way he looks at you.